Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have some exciting news. I was chosen to be a PR gal for Lisa Lorene Plans, and my tenure goes from May through July. So that means from May 1st through July 31st. If you use the code TT.Scraps 20, you will receive 20% off of your order from her shop on Etsy. I will put the link below, but in case you are on the run and you don't have it, just go to Etsy at Lisa Lorene Plans and then TT.Scraps 20 to get your 20% off. And not only do you get a 20% off discount, you also get an exclusive sheet of stickers. And it's a smaller sheet, but it's a sample sheet. And I got to pick some of my favorite designs. I'm super excited about it. One of them is this cute little hedgehog. Oh my word. Enough said, right? I also have a chick on there for my girl, who I call Chicken, and a frog for my son, who I call Frog. And I have a dog for my bully dog. I didn't put any cats on there, and I didn't get any friends on there, just because other people had picked some things too, and I wanted to keep mine a little different. But when you look at it, I think that I know that there's a reason that I picked every little thing. There's a knitting one. You guys are going to like it, I think. So I hope that you guys check her shop out. Please go and use the discount as often as you can. And she has some wonderful kits. Her store is stocked full of planner supplies. And if you're not a planner, still look and you might be able to find some stickers that you like just for everyday use. She has a million functional stickers. She has all types of planner stickers, whether you're the plum paper or the Erin Condren or the Traveler's Notebook or the Hobonichi, everything and anything. I think she has them all. Happy planners, all of it. So check her store out. She's already reasonably priced, and then you get 20% on top and her sampler sheet plus the exclusive TT.Scraps 20 sampler sheet. So I hope that you guys will try her store out, and I really appreciate you letting her know that I sent you, because that helps me make sure that, you know, I'm earning my keep with her. So thanks so much. Have a wonderful day, and I can't wait to see what you get. Bye-bye.